Okay, so the first question we're going to do today is the letters O, P and W. Okay, again we're going to draw the grid first. It's 10 by 10, same as the last two questions, and the thickness, again when we're making it 3D, will be 10 millimeters as well. Okay, so first thing first is we're going to draw the grid. Okay, count the squares and away you go. Draw your baseline, find your start point, and measure your boxes. 10, 10, 10 mil, and so on. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is draw a vertical line and measure my heights. Again, these are in spaces of 10 mil. Okay, and last step to making my grid is projecting vertically and projecting my lines across as well. So I'll start with my horizontal ones. Okay, and then my vertical ones. Again, remember these are nice light lines. I'm going slightly heavier than I normally would, just so they'll show up on the camera, but yours, you should barely be able to see them. Okay, so that's my grid done. So find my points. So I'm going to start with my letter O, mark my points, and the inside of the O, and join the dots. Okay, onto the P, find my points, and we'll join the dots moving forward. Okay, and last letter W. Okay, the one difficult bit about finding the 2D shapes is this last bit of the W, because you have to join from this corner down to here. So that's going to be a light construction line, and then from this point to this point, again light. Now we can finish it. Our heavy line stops where those two light lines intersect. Okay, so that's the 2D letters done. Time to make it three-dimensional using our oblique method, which is going to be using our 45-degree set square again. Okay, and we're going to go from the points of the 2D shapes that we will see. So I'm going to start with my letter O. Okay, second step, measure my thickness, which is 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters. Okay, like so. And then again, it is joining dots. Okay, we'll see a line going up from here as well. It's actually joining to this point. Okay, but because we can't see through the object, it's going to stop at this point here. And it's going to be joined across here as well, but because we can't see through the object, it's just going to be stopping here. Okay, so that's the O done. On to the P, same steps. Draw 45 degrees from every corner that you will see in the 3D view. Okay, and don't forget the middle of the letters. Okay, that's step 1 done. Step 2, measure your thickness. 1 centimeter. One more, forgot this one. And now join your dots as best you can. Okay, just forgot this line here. And that's my P done. Last letter W, same steps again. I'm going to draw this one as well. I know I won't see it, but I will need it when I'm drawing this bit. There is going to be a line here, but I'll explain that in a second. So mark my thicknesses, 10 millimeters as well, same as the last two letters. Okay, and I'm also going to measure 10 mil on this line here, even though I'm not going to see it, because I'm going to join it to this point. if I could see through the object, it would be stopping there. Okay, so that means that this line is definitely right, but when I'm doing my heavy lines, I'm just going to stop there. Okay, and just do the rest of your lines in heavy. Okay, so that is my question fully finished.